everyone. So, have you ever wondered how cleansing oil works? Okay. And another thing is, what skin type is it suitable for and how to use it? Okay, because a lot of people don't actually know about cleansing oil. Most people confuse cleansing oil to your traditional cleansers, but they are totally two different skincare products. Yeah, so in this video I'll be reviewing my favorite cleansing oil that I use all the time, every single day, sometimes even twice a day. The simple hydrating cleansing oil. Okay, but before then I'll be telling you how cleansing oil works, which skin type is it suitable for, and how to use it. Hi, so if you're visiting my channel for the first time before the product review, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chiku Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare in this channel. Let me push this a little bit. I talk about skincare in this channel, okay? Basically teaching you how to achieve that glass clear looking skin that you want. I do a lot of product reviews. I do a lot of more like how to treat skin issues that you may have, and I also do natural skincare formulation, DIY stuff once in a while. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and you want to become part of this channel and to also keep you up to date when I upload videos so you don't miss a thing, hit the red button and subscribe, okay, and become part of this channel, and help me share this video and like it as well. Thank you so much as you do. And for my regular viewers that always coming back to support me, thank you, I appreciate you. Now today is about cleansing oil. Let's get to the video. Now, cleansing oil is more like the main benefit that what it does, before I will bite my tongue, what it does is it helps to remove impurities. It helps to remove makeup, dirt, and excess oil on skin, and it's different actually from your water soluble cleansers. So your water soluble cleansers, most of them have foam, gel texture. But cleansing oil is totally different. It doesn't look like that, and it doesn't work the same way that your water soluble cleansers work. When I talk about water soluble cleansers, I'm talking about your traditional facial cleansers that you use daily on your face. One of the things I love about cleansing oil also is that they contain surfactants and an ingredient called emulsifier. Okay, so basically what the main thing that cleansing oil does is it helps the dirt on your skin. It can more like easily dissolves the dirt on your skin and helps it to get rinsed off very easily because of the two ingredients that it has, surfactants and emulsifier. Okay, and cleansing oil can be also used, to double cleanse, just like I did in this video. to double cleanse, especially at night. If well formulated, if they don't have most of the cleansing oil, whenever you're buying, make sure you really look out for the ingredients, that you're not buying the one that has too many blended oil in it. Okay, because if it has too many blended oil, combination of oily skin it may not be good. Then again, I have combination skin and I use it. Okay, so it can be used for all skin types if well formulated. Okay, it is a very good way to double cleanse. You remember I talk a lot about double cleansing your skin. That is very important, especially if you want to achieve glowing skin. Cleansing your skin is it's more like the most important thing when it comes to achieving glowing skin, because most of the problems we get, most of the skin issues that we have is as a result of lack of cleansing, not cleansing your skin properly. Okay, now the simple hydrating cleansing oil is my favorite cleansing oil, and the reason is because whenever I use this product, it keeps my skin very hydrated. Okay, it is very good, very gentle, because a lot of product from Simple is like gentle and they are made for sensitive skin. Okay, so I like it. This is the cleansing oil that I use, and for those of you that don't know what cleansing oil is, you need to get it. It's very, very important that you use cleansing oil on your skin. Okay, especially for double cleansing when you have a makeup on. If you put cleanser on your face without using cleansing oil first, you can try it. Do the experiment. Maybe 2 days, the first day you only cleanse your face with cleansing oil, and with cleansing oil and then your cleanser. Okay, and then the second day, cleanse your skin when you have makeup on without cleansing oil, and tell me what you think. Cleansing oil, double cleansing, cleanses your skin much better and keeps your skin glowing and very, very hydrated and free from clogged pores. Okay, because most dirt on our skin results to clogged pores and then results to acne breakout. So this is the cleansing oil that I use. Okay, this is it, and it's good. I like it. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, click the red button and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and help me share it. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.